All right, let's do a video update. So, back door installed backwards so that it can open out is installed. And I got a little bit of an overhang here, which will keep it from being such an issue that the weather's right there. But this was a total win. I had to cut like 5 inches off the bottom of the door. I had to pass all of this through the table saw, cut it down to 3 inches wide. I left the door sill the original size because I'll put my flooring underneath that. But this was a total win. Done. Minimal amount of pain and effort. There's one minor screw up. I cut the bottom too long, thank God, the first time, so I had to trim it again, but that's okay. And yeah, the door went in. I just screwed the hinges straight to these beams. Screwed the hinges to those beams. This side needs a little bit of shimming. The lock sets work nicely. This side needs a little bit of shimming at the bottom to bring it out, but at least it swings. My weather stripping at the bottom is kind of tight, but who wants loose weather stripping? That's fine. And it shuts with normal amount of effort. That closes normally. Maybe a little tiny adjustment on this, but that's fine. All right, that's it. We're locked up for the weekend, heading out. Let's take a look at the view this is helping me to enjoy now. Yeah, there's the other property, and there's all the wasps that like hanging out. That garbage pile will have to go. And I don't know. She wants these crazy old-fashioned wood chairs that you got to find cushions for, and I just say, yeah, okay. But that will probably never happen. All right, done. Lock it up. Boom, boom. Let's get all my tools back in the truck for this week's work. Number one tool, radio. That's it. And I relocated the electric. I finally got that so that it reads correctly. Nope. Loving that door. Loving it. The kitchen's going to be right here. The back porch will be right here. Refrigerator will be right there. All nice, easy grab. Refrigerator out the door. Dishes, plates, stove, boom, out the door. This was wasn't a hard project, but I'm proud of that for a weekend work. Got here like, I don't know, 9, 10 o'clock, 10:30 really. Emptied the truck, messed around with this. Went to the cauliflower fair in Margaretville. There's no cauliflower to speak of, but whatever. Let's play with the door a little more. I was going to leave this, but now I love this door so much. Oh, look at this thing. What a freaking dog. I like these chains and hinges, though. I think I saved it from the other door. I might actually put it on these. I don't know. Where's my tape measure? It's going to infringe on my kitchen build out. I mean, this kitchen is so tiny, every inch matters. So I need a 34-inch opening to get that little 30-inch door in there. Let's see where 34 inches goes. Come on. 34. Boom. All the way over to here. right now, but a 28-inch door, you can't get anything in here. What if you want to bring a couch in or something? 34 inches would... 34 inches. 34 inches. Starting at this beam. I mean, I guess I could lose this beam and start right there. Let's say if I start right there. Boom. 34 inches is here. Doesn't make any sense to start there. Boom. 34 inches is here. Yeah, that's where we go. And I'm losing, oh boy. I'm losing like 5 more inches of kitchen. And that was mattering on my, that was starting to matter on the inches that I needed for the cabinets. Bigger doorway. Bigger, better door. Look, that's much higher. This thing here is a freaking disaster. Has this... What the hell is that? All right, I already know the answer. We're putting a new door in there. Oh my my, oh my my. Yeah, 34 inches. All right, let's get out of here.